Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this amazing facial gel instead of a Vaseline and egg. Now I've showed you how to use Vaseline and egg on your face. However, there's some of you out there who do not want to use egg on your skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you what you can use on your skin instead of egg and Vaseline. So if you're looking for an amazing facial mask that's going to tighten and firm the skin, hydrates the skin, boosts the collagen production in the skin, follow me and I'll show you this wonderful, amazing facial mask minus the eggs. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have a Vaseline and an egg. Now guys, there are a lot of you out there that are not comfortable using egg on your skin. So what I want to do for you today, I'm going to show you that instead of using egg and Vaseline on your skin, you can actually use this on your skin. So we're going to substitute the egg for this. Now in case you're curious what this is actually some jelly. Now what kind of jelly this is? This is a jelly rich in protein, which the egg also have protein, but this also is rich in vitamin C. It also have tightening properties just like the egg, that is going to tighten and firm the skin. It also have collagen boosting properties just like the egg. So to make this, guys, let me show you a quick way to make this amazing egg replacement. To make the gel, I'm going to be using some orange peel, and I peeled a medium orange. And what I'm going to do with this peel, I'm going to chop it in small pieces. So chop your orange peel in small pieces, and preferably a very ripe orange. And orange is great for the skin. It contains vitamin C, which will help to brighten and lighten the skin. It also contains natural oil that will help to hydrate the skin, leaving the skin glowing, soft and supple. And I'm going to be mixing this orange peel with another ingredient, which is flax seeds. And flaxseed is loaded with protein, vitamin A and minerals that is going to help to tighten, firm the skin, and also boost the collagen production in the skin. When mixed with the orange peel, is going to create a really strong, powerful gel for your skin. So I'm going to add a cup of water to the orange peel. And then I'm going to take it to the stove top. Now, as soon as I place it on the stove top and it starts to boil, then I'm going to add the flax seeds. Next, I'm going to boil it for about 5 more minutes until it started to form a peak at the top. Once the peak starts forming, then you know definitely that it is about to be ready. So just keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. And as soon as the peak completely disappears, there's no longer any peak, we're going to remove it from the stove top. Once we remove, we will need to strain this right away. So we're going to take a strainer, preferably a metal strainer, and we're going to strain. After you strain, this is what it's going to look like. Now you're going to put this aside to cool, and once this is cool, this is going to take about hour to 2 hours to cool. And once this is cool, this is how we get our jelly. Amazing egg substitute for your facial. Also guys, this is good to use if you're even baking a cake. You can use this gel to replace your egg. So there you have your powerful anti-aging facial gel that can be used as an egg replacer. Now you can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. I like storing mine in a glass jar with a tight cover. Just keep it there, and when you're ready to use, you remove it. Now guys, I am going to show you how to use this amazing facial gel with your petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. There's basically two ways you can use it. You can choose to use it cold, or you could choose to warm it to melt your oil much faster. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my small jar that I have here, and I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of our Vaseline. If you want to make more of this, you can choose to double up on the ingredient. Now you can choose to go ahead and warm your Vaseline now, or you can choose to add your jelly. So I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of our jelly, egg replacement that is. We're going to add it to our little jar with our petroleum jelly. That's 1 tablespoon. And that's 2 tablespoons. Now I'm just going to take my mixer and I'm going to mix it in. Now this is going to take a while to mix in if you do it this way, because what happened to the jelly is that the jelly is already cooled. A very easy way to get this done really fast instead of mixing is to add your petroleum jelly before you cooled your jelly. That is the easiest way to get it melted. However, if you have leftover and you place it in your refrigerator, you want to use it up after, what you do, you take a bowl with some hot water, like I'm showing here. Make sure the water is very hot to boiling point. Pour it in a container. And then you're going to place both the jelly and your petroleum jelly in the water and just give it a stir. What you're basically doing is melting your jelly and also melting your petroleum. So just keep stirring, as then you can see here, it's nicely melted. And once this is done, guys, there you have the mixture. You put this aside for another 20 minutes or so to cool it down, and then your facial jelly mix with Vaseline is ready to use on your skin. Now this amazing combination can be used on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. I like to use this at night since I like to just layer it on my skin. So apply it on your face, your neck, and décolleté at night, and just let it dry a little. It's gonna get a little dry in about 10 minutes or so, and then you're gonna go to bed. You're gonna sleep with this on your skin, guys. Upon arising in the morning, your skin is gonna feel like so smooth. Not only that, this is gonna help to get rid of the spots and blemishes on the skin. Your skin is gonna look so younger, so fresher, with a soft, supple feel to it, yet looking lifted and firm. Just an amazing combination to use on your skin. You really want to give this amazing remedy a try. Use it AM, PM if you so wish, but use it as often as you can for best result. And you can also store the petroleum jelly mixed with the gel in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and also leave your comments. Those are always welcome since they really help the channel. So thank you all for watching. Try your recipe and come back and leave a comment. Bye-bye.